Good afternoon, everybody. Well, this is Terry with Terry's Travels, and today, I've got a low tire on my van. So this is my opportunity to learn how to use my new air pump on my van. And so since I've never done it before, since I'm here at my sister's house, my brother-in-law, under his instructions, I can read the instructions, but I would just rather somebody be here with me when I do this. But anyway, let me show y'all my new air pump. Okay, it's called a Pittsburgh. I guess that's the model. But anyway, and it comes nice in this little bag so that I can store it in my van and keep everything together. But anyway, I'm gonna probably use the 12 volt plug-in right here to air up my tire. I've never done this before, so I'm excited about how this is going to go down. But I'm just thankful to have my brother-in-law to help me here. So, but he's just going to watch me. I'm going to do it, but he's just going to make sure I do it right. Okay, I've got it plugged into my 12 volt, and here it is. It says that it needs 36 psi. So we're gonna, I think I just set it to do that, and now we're gonna hook it to the tire and see what happens. I think it's working. Okay, it says that it's, once you preset the PSI, once it reaches that PSI level, then it will automatically turn off. So that's a nice thing to know. It turned off all by itself. See? Oh, that's nice to know. Yes. So for those of y'all who are like me that don't know much about blowing up a tire, you know, this is a nice little gadget to have right here. Okay, I had to just ride around the neighborhood a minute because it kept showing that it was still low, but look, it's on 37. So I think it's supposed to be 36, but anyway, I'm so much happier. I did it, y'all. I did it by myself. So really, this was not hard to do. I mean, you just plug it into your power source, and also there's another cord that comes with it too, in case you just need to plug in like this. But it was so simple. I mean, but now the trick is it has to be turned on. You preset it, and then turn it on, and then you clamp it onto your tire, onto the stem, and it does it all by itself. You know, and you just stand there and watch until it's you know, until it gets to wherever you want it in the PSI range. So I did it. I didn't learn something new today. Isn't that wonderful? Yep. So what I'll do is I did get this from Amazon. So I'll link this down in the bottom so that you'll have it in case one of y'all need it, you know. So yay! I'm so proud. This was a good investment, y'all. Anyway, so this right here, I keep right here where my tire is supposed to go. I'm not able to find a tire. That's been a whole big thing. If y'all didn't know, if you've been watching any of my YouTube videos, you know that me not having a tire has been a big issue. But anyway, so I put everything in here, right here. So yeah, that works out really, really well. I have plenty of room to put my tire stuff. At least, you know, at least I can do that. But yeah, I'm happy. I learned something new today, and I had my brother-in-law here just to make sure I did everything right. I'm good. Hey y'all, well, it's the next day, and I'm headed home from work. So my brother-in-law did mention to me that I might want to take my owner's manual for my van out of the glove box and read up on it. So I'm going to do that today. I know I should have done that before now, but I just I don't even have a reason why I hadn't done it, but I just hadn't. Anyway, he also says that there's information on the side panel of the door here, so on my side. So I want to stop and look at that and just see you know, what kind of information I have on the side of my door. He did point that out to me. It's just that I have not had a chance to look at it yet. But I'm going to do that when I get home, I think. I do have an owner's handbook manual here, and I just unpackaged it, and there's a little bag that I can put my books in, but I need to familiarize myself with all of this. It's going to be a good thing to know, and I'm going to keep it in my glove box where I found it. So, but a lot of good information in there. And so if I get something happens to me and I need to get information, this is where I can find it. That's good to know. And also on the inside of my door right here, there's a lot of good information right there. It also tells me how much air I need in my tire. So, and also I think my VIN number and everything is located right there. So that's a good thing to know. Well, I sure do appreciate y'all watching. I hope that it was an informative video. So it gives me comfort to know that if I have a flat on the side of the road, I know now that I know how to use my air pump, and I know exactly how to where to plug it in, and know exactly how to use it. And hopefully getting my tire aired up will get me from point A to point B to get my tire fixed. So that gives me a big peace of mind and a lot of comfort. So I appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Thank you.